G'day! I just spotted some king parrots feeding on my blackberries. Actually, are they king parrots? They look a bit different. There's all different types of parrots. That's not a really good photo, is it? I'll see if I can get closer then. That's alright. But you can't really see them eating them. I'll see if I can get closer. Let's see. I might scare him because it's going to be really close. I know. I'll do it from this. I know. I'll pretend I'm in the in here just looking at stuff. And I can slowly get closer. It's a great idea. So skip 10 or 15. So press the button 3 times if you don't want to wait. Here we go. Oh, they're up top. I'll try and go a bit slower. It's not a bad view. You can see that one in particular on the left. Cool. I didn't pick the blackberries today, so there'll be some really nice ripe ones. So it's just tucking in. Yep, look there, it's holding it in its hand, in its claw. Doesn't have hands. Very cool. Yeah, you liking the blackberries? Oh wow, they've got like blue around their eyes. Wowee, they're very unique. Oh, and the top one's feasting on one too. That's cool as. Don't seem to mind, which is good. Oh, I don't want to scare them. No, look at it stretching up. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Listen to this one in the tree. I think that's a king parrot. I don't think these ones are. I'll have to look up and I'll title it accordingly. I don't know much about the birds. Let's see if I can get a bit closer. Oh, no. No, that's okay. Don't fly off. They're starting to talk to each other. Is he going to hurt us? No, not at all. Look at its nice big long massive tail. Oops. Yes, you can eat them. As many as you want. Well, now I can zoom a bit better. Oh, it's taken, see, it got the top right one. It took one off and got it to the top. See, yummy, aren't they? You like the blackberries? Let's move to the other side. Yeah, she do look nice. You don't have to hide. I'm not going to hurt you. We're all friends around here. I had some good comments on the parrots, so I thought I'll film them a bit more because there's abundance around here. Usually the less dull one is the female, so I'm guessing that the one on the top right is the female. Because the one on the bottom left seems to be more brighter in colours. See, I think it's the male. go on the tree. Just up in the tree. Alright, that's a good parrot fun for today. Hope you get some good parrot fun too. See ya. I'll zoom on the nice full pond. Oh, look how full it is. Wow. Turtles will be stoked. Thanks for watching. See you later.